Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you that how you can change your Rockstar social account email address. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So when you created your Rockstar social account, you just added an email address that was used to create your account. And now if you want to change that email address that you have used before, there is a method, and I will be showing you that. This method is very simple, so just follow these steps till end and you will be able to change your email address. So first of all, go to any browser and then type here Rockstar Social Club. Now click on this link and it will take you to Social Club. You can just also type in socialclub.rockstargames.com and you will be taken to this page. Now here you can see this is your account, and to change the email address, on the top right corner you will see your avatar. Click on this and a menu will appear. The second last option says settings. Click on this settings button and it will take you to the settings of your account. Now here you can see multiple settings. You can change your nickname, your email, your password, your date of birth, your country or region, your bio, and your language. So to change the email address that you used, click on this edit button next to the email. Here you can see your email which is being currently used. Just enter the password for that email and click submit change request. Now if you click, you will send an email to your new email inbox containing a link that must click to verify the new email address. Only then your email address will be updated. So if you want to change, you can just click on this confirm button and your email address will be changed. Then you will be able to enter your new email. I hope this method was simple for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.